Well, that worked.
Alright. So, do you think I'll... Oh, yeah. Do you think it'll still work?
Yeah. Here, let me hit it.
Oh, or you can hit it. You dented the hole.
Wow.
Here, wait, let me do one thing. Okay.
Sean's laptop.
Oh.
All right, Guido, you ready?
Yeah.
You guys want to get way back.
Yeah.
Making the video.
Now. You ready?
Oh man. Instant damage. Ooh.
Anticlimactic.
This thing là mouth all blown. What if it blows up the dog? Do you think it's gonna blow?
No.
Check. Here is my laptop.
Put it in rice.
Yeah, but if I put it in rice, it'll work.
If there was no key, it'd still be working.
Oh well, gotta finish my math. Hey guys, I recently just bought this new laptop off of Microsoft.
Cost $2,000.
Cost about $2,000, and whenever it's shipped in the mail, it comes like this. I don't even know if it's supposed to look like this, but if you guys have bought in one of these versions, I got this one off of eBay. It was called Burnt Laptop, and it just shipped like this. If you guys
just needs a new battery.
if you guys have one like this, let me know. And if yours works,
You just need a new battery.
tell me how you know so I can try to fix mine. Yeah. Like,
Only the battery.
I mean, like, the screen is kind of mushy. And they said it would be touchscreen. Didn't really work. And they said,
I can't find the on button.
no, I think the on button is right there.
It turns on. Wait, what?